I'm Clark with FileMaker Pro Gurus.com, and today I'm looking at Web Portal Wizard, a new product put out by Richard Carlton Enterprises. It's a pretty neat little product that allows you to take a look at their website here. Create a custom website for your FileMaker database without breaking the bank. It is really reasonable, I think, for a single user, $75 one time. Not a single user, just a person, without any support or anything like that. And if you don't want to use their website, you have a website you could use and a database you can use. You can set this up so easily, show information with or without a login to clients. And you can show them the information you want to show and allow them, if you want to edit, delete, add new records. So those are the things that you can do with it. It's pretty easy to do. It took about an hour for me to set this up. You get a free demo. The demo is really well built. And it's also the regular database. It just walks you through the process of being able to hook up a database on a web server on a remote server, one with an SSL certificate, FileMaker 18, and hook it up and put in a simple web interface. That's quite impressive for basic stuff. Now, I also do better forms, Better Forms, if you don't familiar with it, I did demo it or review it a couple of years ago. Had Charles Delson, did a video with that. That is an incredible product that is really just the entire database is separated from the web layout, but all your logic lives back in FileMaker and you access it through Better Forms. So it's quite a bit more powerful than this. But this is for display stuff. This is doing simple things. And so you could use this for a lot of different reasons for a lot of your customers, and it's really easy to set up and really easy to change. So let's take a look at it. I just set one up a little while ago. Here's the wizard. I'm not going to go back through it, but it's very easy, and they got little videos up in the top right hand corner here. If we click that open, it tells us what to do on the video. Very well put together. And we can look at different things here. I set up one called Contacts. And it's just basic stuff. And by the way, I have a Better Forms hooked up to this one as well. I didn't break Better Forms to do that because they're completely different ways of doing it. This uses the FileMaker Data API to connect, by the way. Here's the templates. Pick a theme, customize your theme. This is what Bootstrap 3 would be. You can notice we have new, delete, edit, PDF, print, Excel, show 5 rows. This kind of stuff here. You can the default is what you can show right here. This is the data actually from the database right here. Okay, because it's already hooked up. We can go with Bootstrap. That doesn't have add or delete or anything like that. Data tables basic, pretty basic stuff. By the way, in all of these things, you can click on the settings. I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. I'm messing this up. Close this, don't want to show that again. Oh, I'm sorry, edit design. There we go. So we picked this one, for example, and we just say we want to change the background color, the title color, description color, all that kind of stuff. So you have quite a bit of latitude in what you can do. It has a color pop-up, so you can choose your color picker and so on. Color picker is what you use. We have records here for the, here's the company name as test, and you can change that. You can put it a default copyright footer, just all kinds of powerful things you can do. We're just going to stick with the foundation one right here. Okay, so it's already up there. It's already done. So let's take a look at it. I did log into this. This is the name I gave it. I used their web portalwizard.com since I have a 30-day evaluation period on this. When I do it from now on, though, I'll be using my own servers because I am going to buy this product. I really do like it. Let's go back to here and let's choose this design. I'm sorry, and then click use this design right here. Let's save and close. Use this design. Okay, and you can see we had the old design, didn't have all the features here. Let's just refresh this page. And notice that it did not do it. So let's refresh it one more time. Let's just copy this. I haven't found a logout page yet on this, so that is one thing. And we'll paste this one in here. It should log us back in again. I save that. Okay. And seems like you always have problems. And that's what I have here. I did say, oh, save changes. Shame on me. So now it's updating it. As you can tell, I'm not an expert on this just yet. Let's refresh this now. Okay, now we have these things. Now, delete and edit aren't functional at this point in time, but that's just a matter of changing the permissions. But we have save as a PDF, print, Excel. We can show more rows if we had them, and we can add a new record. I assume this will work. Let's find out. So test, contact, and test at test.com. And just test company. Okay, let's create the record and see if we get lucky. Yes, it did right there, test contact. So they don't have the ability to add with this, what I set up here. They can't edit or delete the records, but they could view them. But you can set it up so they can edit and delete records as well. And of course, add records. So that's pretty slick. This is what you can do with it. And that's took an hour to set up. And basically all I'm showing here is all the information in the database. But you could easily set it up so if you have a particular contact, you could sync it up to the contact, and when a person logs in, it grabs their information and it shows only their information. So you can really customize this to do whatever you want. Overall, I'm very impressed with this product. Again, this is Web Portal Wizard, free download, and I think it's something like $74.99 if you want to do all the work yourself like I would do. They have one if you want to host it on their website. They have an additional fee, and then if they want to get one with 5 hours of work, so that if you're not really a developer, you could do this yourself for your own clients. So that's it. Check it out. I think it's a pretty neat product, and I hope it succeeds. I'm going to be buying it and using it. Talk to you next time.